In this video, I just want to quickly show you the new presenter function in Microsoft Teams meetings. So as you know, as you'll have seen before, to present your screen, then you're going to go to the present icon, the share content icon in the top right hand corner, just to the left of where your big red leave button is. And when you click on it, you're going to get different options. And just to point out here, I'm using a Mac to record this, so I can't see the include system audio button. But anyone using a PC, you'll be able to see that button. I know Microsoft is still working on adding that to Microsoft Teams on a Mac. But everything else is exactly the same. I've got desktop, I've got window, I've got whiteboard, and I've got PowerPoint. And it's the PowerPoint one that I want to go into, so we can have a look and see how it's slightly different now. And the functionality has been increased to make it easier for you to present your PowerPoints. There's some great benefits to presenting PowerPoints here, even before these new functions were added. So I'm going to click on my PowerPoint. If it wasn't there and available for me, I can use the browse button, but I'm just going to go for T ideas here. And it's going to open up the PowerPoint into my Teams meeting. And once it's opened, you'll see the screen is a little bit different. But don't forget as well, you need to click on the little eye icon in the top left-hand corner, just to the left of stop presenting, if you want everyone else in the meeting to be stuck on the slide that you were on. Otherwise, they can flick through them at their own leisure. And there's times where you might want that to happen, but most of the time you want to keep people with you on the same slide. So I'm just going to click on that eye icon. And I always do that first, as soon as I've opened up a PowerPoint into the meeting. And now we've done that, we can just see that we've got a different screen. And I can now see the various slides that I've got that I'm going to show. This is the slide that's currently getting presented, that Lee can see. And then I can click through and show different slides at any time I want. Or if I just want to visually see what's going on, I can see I've got a video right there at the end. And I can scroll through and see what's coming up next. And I've also got this really handy notes section. So if you've got a PowerPoint that you're presenting that has any notes on it that you need to go through, you can use that to show those notes, which is super useful. Everyone who's attending can only see the slide you're on and they can't see any notes. But you can see the videos, you can see everything else. And don't forget, when you're on presentation, you can also have the participants or the chat panel open and see the chat conversation going on the right hand side, or see the participants and engage with them, add people, mute and unmute people for conversations on the right hand side as well, whilst you can still see all of the slides, all of the great notes and everything you need to do a really fantastic presentation in your meeting. Some really great updates to what was already a great feature. Have a go at this one, upload a PowerPoint and see how you get on.